Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So, guys, I'm here with an amazing video regarding how to create a responsive search ad on Google search results with call extension. So, even you can create other extensions as well, but you may have seen ad like this because I got a question like how to create an ad like this, which is why I'm creating a case study regarding this one, how to create a responsive search ad with call extension. So, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, what you have to do, this is a sample, Google account dashboard you can see over here. Now what you have to do, you have to select the new campaign. Once you select the new campaign, you have multiple options available. Okay, for search campaign you can choose any option. For instance, in sales you have an option of search campaign over here as well. um, Even in the leads you may have an option of search as well. So you have to choose your goal precisely on what is your exact goal while creating your responsive search ad. Even you can create website traffic. Let's say we are going with the website traffic and we are creating a search campaign. Okay, we can for instance, if you are driving traffic to my Google partner agency website, I'm going to write my name over here, then select the continue over here, and then I'm going to select my bidding over here. And again, there are bidding strategies. I have a dedicated video on my YouTube channel regarding the different bidding strategies, impact, and which one is the right one to choose for. But for the new campaigns, clicks is a good strategy to opt for. Let's say we are going with this now, because it's a responsive search ad and we are not going to include other networks, so we are just going to have search network over here as well. So yeah, now we can target our location. We can target all countries, country specific. We can also do a advanced search and do pinpoint location or pinpoint targeting over here. For instance, if I want to target something in New York, I'm just going to search New York over here. And then in case if I want to target specific area, I just have to select the one. For instance, if I want to target this area, I can target with the again with the miles. I can even select let's say 2 miles, and I want to target this location. Now it will automatically say regarding 2 miles around this area, so you can see the distance have been reduced. Once you select this one, select your target. My personal recommendation is to opt for the second one, but again you can opt for the first one as well. Even though Google is recommending the first one, but my recommendations are to go with the second one. Then select your language, then select your audience segments. Audience segments is more regarding your categories, where you want to target on, what is your audience regarding. So again, you can select this one. You can do the observation so that Google can automatically understand what kind of audience is converting well for you. Then select the next button. Then you can see over here as well that Google has suggested me some clicks over here as well based on the keywords we have. And again, this is a broad mesh data and it may fluctuate. Google has already done some homework for us regarding choosing a basic headlines, description. Everything is being done. Now you have to do over here is to add you have an options over here as well regarding the assets. You can add the option of call out over here, and you can have the call out over here as well regarding the, okay, you can like that, like this, call now. And people can call us. Okay, you can have this one as well. Okay, so once you do this, once you are done with this one, you can see that our ad is created. I'm now, once you finish this campaign, now I'm gonna move to the extensions later on. Let's say we are going with this one. We have selected this one. Okay, uh let's say Google is checking for errors, and then we have an option of publish campaign. Now we are publishing the campaign, and now we are going to do the changes on the campaign regarding the ad extensions. For instance, this is an ad. We are going to go to the ad. We are going to go to the asset, and then we can have add the call option over here as well. Add it, and that can lead automatically people calling us. The call option over here, and we can add the phone number so that it's being displayed over here as well. And for instance, if we are adding this one as over here, just giving you an example over here that you can see as well. And you can see that a basic compare responsive search campaign is being created with a call option available as well. But there is a lot of room for improvement in the keywords, account structure, conversion tracking. There are many things which may needs working. You, for instance, we may have to change match type to trace match. Competitor research is required to create a perfect campaign, and I know that not everyone can do do it, which is why you may need professional assistance, which is why we recommend, in case if you need a professional Google ads, Facebook ads, or Bing ads, or SEO services management, all you have to do is to work with me and my team. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we can help you in creating an amazing campaign which can generate sales by looking on your competitors, by optimizing your landing page, by working with your quality score, improving your campaign structure, adding the best practice policies, and a lot more to make your campaign amazingly converting well for you. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this channel. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.